The Navimow X4 robot lawn mower presents itself as a highly advanced and thoughtfully engineered solution for modern lawn maintenance, and in real-world use it feels like a significant leap forward in robotic outdoor care. From the very beginning, what stands out is how seamlessly it blends intelligent navigation with powerful cutting performance, creating a mowing experience that feels both effortless and remarkably precise. Instead of relying on outdated perimeter wires, it uses a sophisticated combination of RTK satellite positioning and AI-assisted vision, allowing it to understand the structure of a garden with impressive accuracy. This makes setup far less stressful and far more accessible, especially for users who want automation without complicated installation steps. Once in operation, the X4 demonstrates a level of consistency that is genuinely impressive. It moves across the lawn in well-organized, efficient patterns, ensuring full coverage without unnecessary repetition or missed patches. The cutting system is strong enough to handle dense, uneven, or slightly overgrown grass, yet refined enough to maintain a smooth, even finish that resembles professional landscaping. The mower's ability to adapt to different lawn conditions is particularly notable. It can transition from flat areas to mild slopes and irregular terrain without losing stability or cutting quality. This adaptability gives it a sense of reliability that is essential for users with diverse garden layouts. Another major strength is its intelligent obstacle avoidance. The X4 responds quickly and accurately to objects in its path, whether they are garden furniture, plants, pets, or unexpected debris. Instead of bumping or getting stuck, it recalculates its route smoothly and continues mowing with minimal interruption. This not only improves efficiency but also enhances safety, making it suitable for family environments where unpredictable movement is common. The Smart App control further elevates the overall experience. Through a clean and intuitive interface, users can set detailed mowing schedules, define multiple zones, establish no-go areas, and monitor real-time progress from anywhere. This level of customization allows the mower to adapt perfectly to different lawn care preferences, whether someone wants frequent light trims or deeper, less frequent cuts. Over time, this flexibility makes lawn maintenance feel almost entirely automated, with the user only stepping in occasionally for adjustments. Noise levels are another area where the X4 performs exceptionally well. It operates quietly enough that it can run during early mornings or evenings without disturbing neighbors, which is a major advantage in residential areas. Its energy efficiency and smart return-to-charge behavior ensure that mowing sessions are completed with minimal downtime, as it automatically returns to its charging station when needed and resumes work without manual intervention. Durability and weather resistance also play an important role in its overall appeal. The X4 is built to withstand changing outdoor conditions, including light rain and varying temperatures, which means it can maintain a consistent mowing schedule without frequent interruptions. This reliability adds to its long-term value, especially for users who want a truly hands-off solution throughout the mowing season. Overall, the Navimow X4 feels less like a simple lawnmower and more like a fully autonomous outdoor maintenance system. It combines precision engineering, intelligent navigation, strong cutting performance, and user-friendly digital control into one cohesive package. For homeowners seeking a premium, low-effort way to maintain a perfectly manicured lawn, it delivers a level of convenience and quality that genuinely transforms lawn care from a manual chore into a nearly invisible, automated process that quietly produces professional-grade results day after day.